Hey everybody, and welcome back to Hex Token Channel. Your host Superman in the house. Now, this is the economic calendar for December 2022 for the United States, and I hope you guys enjoy the upcoming things. Pretty major for the end of the year, so put this into your calendar yourself. So, economic calendar, let's get into it. So, Wednesday the 7th coming up, which we just had, is all accrued oil inventories. They came in actually a negative 5.18 million compared to 3.3 million on the actual forecast there. That was kind of cool for the pushing the prices down a bit. We had coming up on Thursday, which coming up tomorrow, initial jobless claims, 230,000 expectation there. Then we've got the PPI producer price index coming up, and it's got 0.2% increase. We'll see how that goes for the actual results. Then we've got the big number coming up, the CPI. So consumer price index, the retail inflation there. We're going to see how that goes. We got 0.4%, 0.3% on month to month for core, and of course CPI, the headline CPI number there for the month to month as well. So core, remember, that excludes energy and food prices. We've also got the CPI year on year. This is the big one, of course. 7.7% was the one for October. So we're going to look to see what November is. Hopefully that comes down, right? So let's see how that goes. Then on Wednesday, the big day, December the 14th. So the 13th is inflation, 14th is the FOMC economic predictions, and of course FOMC statement. Of course, the big deal, the Fed interest rate decision. Will it be 50 basis points? Will it be 75 basis points? And what would be the forward-looking picture for February, March next year? Will that be hawkish or dovish? We will find out. Thursday, December the 15th, we've got core retail sales. Obviously, 2/3 of the U.S. economy is consumers, so we'll see how this number comes in as well. Then we got the turning to supply side with manufacturing index for Philadelphia. See how that comes in, and retail sales again as well. So we've got a lot coming in on December 15th. Then, of course, December the 20th, we've got building permits. How's the residential market doing? We're going to look at that too. And, of course, CB, consumer confidence coming up there. Obviously, confidence can often play in pretty well there also. We'll see whether it's greater than 100. And then, of course, we've got existing home sales around the residential market. And then finally, December 2022 GDP quarter there for Q3. And, of course, let's see whether we are moving into that recession we're talking about. Let's see. On Friday, the December 23rd, just for Christmas, we've got core durable goods orders. Then the core PCE price index. That's a very important one. It's more closer one that the Fed is kind of watching is the PCE. No one's there. And of course the personal consumption expenditure. It's a broader measure of inflation than CPI. New home sales coming in on that day as well, on the 23rd. So a couple of big things there. And then finally Christmas, obviously on the 25th, 26th in the United States. And of course 28th pending home sales there as well. So that is the calendar for the United States economic calendar for December 2022. Hope you guys enjoy that. And of course keep those CPI and especially the Fed on the 15th in your calendar because those can move markets, particularly this last one by the end of the year. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.